Hello engineers, in this video I will talk about how to customize this marking menu. So if you want to customize this marking menu, I am talking about this marking menu. For example, I don't want here whole command. I want here something else. I don't want here revolve command. So I can change that. So I can change that from here. First I have to click on tools. Then I have to click on customize. So here I have setting whole. I have to change this setting. Then I will click on whole. Then I will select here any other option. For example, I want here some other options such as which option I should choose. If you can't find your option, then you can also write here name of that command. For example, I want here circle. Then I can write here circle. And if I want here line, then I can write here line. I will choose here center line. So you can see here now there is center line instead of whole. Then I will click on OK, and if I will right click here, then I will see here center line. Then I can also do that same for other options. For example, I don't want here revolve command. I want here other options. For example, I want here option shaft. Then I will click OK. You can see here now I have here option shaft. I can do the same for other options. For example, I don't want here center line. I want here center point circle. Okay, then I will click on OK. So I have that option. I can do the same for here. I can select here SP line. Okay, so now I have here SP line. So this is how you can change the marking menu. This is how you can customize marking menu. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching. God bless you.